I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saying.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for today's video. So today we are doing a tackle your to-do list. I absolutely love doing these types of videos and making lists when I go ahead and check them off. It just really helps me stay organized and I know exactly what I need to get done that day, so I'm not like all over the place. But on our list, we are doing the dishes, laundry, cleaning the kitchen, vacuuming, picking up the living room, all that kinds of stuff that we need to get done pretty much on a daily basis. But I wanted to get most of this stuff done before the afternoon time. I also have on this list clean my car and unpack. When I went to unpack, my husband had informed me he had already unpacked my bag, so I didn't need to do that. And then we live in Pennsylvania and it is absolutely freezing here, so I was not able to wash my car, but I will have that coming up in a video. Hopefully the weather cooperates with me because I am collaborating with Super Clean. But we're going to start off in the kitchen and I hope this video brings you tons of motivation. So let's just get started. Cleaning the kitchen, taking everything off the countertops and wiping everything down.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws.
I just wanted to say welcome if you're new here and thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. If you are new here, comment down below who you are, where you're from. I love getting to know you guys. My name is Carlie. I post 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. My channel consists of cleaning, organizing, motherhood, lifestyle, DIYs, hauls, all that type of stuff. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed and leave me a comment down below. And I also really want to know what your guys' go-to cleaner is for cleaning your countertops. I use the Mrs. Meyer's and I absolutely love it, but I would also love to know what you guys use on your countertops. You will see my daughter pop in and out of this video. She is 1 year old and she absolutely is always into me when I am cleaning or doing anything. She always wants to see what I'm doing. She always wants to help pick up everything. It's the cutest thing. She's like my little shadow, but you know, sometimes when I go to sweep, she tries to pick up all of the crumbs that I sweep into the pile. So I'm trying to teach her not to do that. But if you guys have any littles and if they like to help you clean, let me know down below.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be.
Now that the counters are all nice and clean, we're going to go ahead and start on the dishes. I had to unload the dishwasher. I had the dish rack that needed to be unloaded as well. And then I started to load the dishwasher for the day. I decided to put this in time-lapse mode because this took me a really long time and I figured it would be better if it was quicker and I didn't drag it out on this video. So we're going to do that now and then get to cleaning the rest of the dishes and washing out the sink.
I could stop pretending that I wanted this to happen. I could just say it, say how I feel now. But my tongue is like a wall, keeping words safe in my heart. I can never say that, but I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still
So far we have cleaned the kitchen and did the dishes. Next we're gonna go ahead and move on to laundry. And as I'm doing the laundry, I had realized that my washer is literally huge because the amount of clothes I was able to wash in this load, I mean, the hamper was overflowing with clean clothes and it took me so long to fold all of these. But we're gonna go ahead and put all of the clean clothes into the hamper and then throw a different load into the washer.
You know I miss you the most. When I'm lonely, you know I miss you the most. When I'm lonely,
You will see that Evelyn helps me fold the clothes, aka once they are folded, she likes to knock down all of the piles. But we're gonna go ahead and get these folded and then move on to vacuuming and picking up the rest of the house.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind,
I would love to hear your guys' recommendations on vacuums. I really want to get the Dyson, but we do have 2 German Shepherds and their dog hair literally covers our entire house. I'm not exaggerating when I say that. Their dog hair is literally everywhere. So if you guys have a good vacuum that you use, even if it is a Dyson, let me know down below because I want to get a new one for my birthday. You know you're an adult when you want a vacuum for your birthday, but let me know down below. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do at Carlie Hetrick. I'm always posting funny stories about my daughter because me and my husband will clean up this little toy area at least 2 times a day, and minutes after she wakes up or she comes downstairs, anything, she completely destroys this area. It is like she's a little tornado. So definitely follow me over there. I posted this morning where I had cleaned it. It was 10:52 and at 10:54 she was already pulling stuff out of all of these little bins. So we are constantly having to clean this up, and I decided to not put everything back into its place. It is early morning, so she had all day to play over here. I just wanted to get everything up off of the floor so I could give this living room a really nice vacuum.
no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
So now that I am done vacuuming the space, that is pretty much everything that I had on my to-do list that we're going to be checking off. Like I said, I didn't have to wash my car because it was cold out, and I didn't have to unpack because my husband had already done that. So the last thing we are going to do is just switch over the laundry, and that is going to be it for this tackle your to-do list.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what you have on your to-do list the day that you're watching this video, or what is on your regular to-do list. I hope this video brought you tons of motivation to get everything done that you need to, and I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.